ghost, or we call a spirit. That means when people pass away, every religion they're talking about these things. But in a Tao state, we believe that in the mid-plane, we call the immortal one. That means any people they're doing good and everything, they can go to that level. So that what different with the heaven, we don't know. But we know that in the mid-plane, there are certain person and most people can reach that plane. But we know that people, when they soul and spirit, they cannot reach that plane. They become the wandering ghost, hungry ghost, and the lost soul. And there is a lot in this lower plane. The Hoki, if you have protection, they don't want to get close to you. So that I don't encounter with them at all. All this spirit is, they need energy. So that's why sometimes they're sucking other people's energy. When we have the aura have hole, they on the aura and they're sucking energy and drain the people. All they need is energy of human, life force. When they become the ghost, they have no energy. The first thing, you have to strengthening your solar plexus. You have to learn how to activate a golden moon on your back. You bring this golden moon into your center of your brain and move them down to the solar plexus. And you just focus on the solar plexus and you grow the golden color from solar plexus bigger, 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 bigger until it started to cover your body like an aura. So now when you have this golden aura, number one, it will boost up your luck. Number two, you get rid of all the negative energy that's going to come to you or attacking you. Because it's a protection first. You have no protection, and no matter how good your energy are, they've been attacked. So after you have good protection and good energy and your aura are strong, now the solar plexus itself, it attracts good fortune, attract money, attract wealth, and that can help you get out of a lot of difficulty. When I'm beginning doing teaching in the Europe, and I remember in the Vienna, in the room, they have energy, a spirit there. And because when I go any places, I always go to the room and clear out the room. And I always tell them that I be here running workshop. All I need is a space here, okay? And I not coming in to chase you out. They've been there from thousand and thousand years. You cannot go there and chase them out. They will fight to death, you know. So in any places is a friendly one. So when I practice, when they sit, I get a pearl and give them my energy. It's just like present. In a Tao way, they say we only can help our loved one and not save so many lost souls. There's too much there. So everybody have their own what we call destiny they have to go. The Tao magic teaching you to change things in your life. And you learn how to have good energy and to attract more good energy to you. That's what the Tao magic, the first part that we are teaching. It's a white magic, good magic. That means your good heart, love, joy, happy. You learn how to love yourself and love other people. Now is the beginning, the first magic. People can feel your good energy, okay? And they want to come to see you. That is the first we call attracting power. A good energy, you attract good people. When person have bad energy, they attract bad energy. The Tao magic is all involved with energy and your life force. And we have to learn how to tap with the nature forces in a very systematically. And in the next level, we started to attracting, we call planetary power. We are limited, but the universe, the nature is no limit. Wisdom and power from the planets. So when we are learn how to connect with them, you can download many power into us, ourselves. And when you have all this good energy, you developing the psychic. That means when you pick up things and you started to know, oh, what's going to happen and what's going to be, what I'm going to do with it. So you have this, we call the psychic, or we call the practicing the wisdom of how to tap in this energy and use it. So it's a learning and training to get it. We are invite you in May. We have a Tao magic practice, which is very simple, down to earth, something that you can learn how to do it. That will be online and in Tao Garden.